I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Armir Harris. He is CEO and founder at CharterUP. Armir, it is wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you so much for having me. Really excited to be on.
Right, so Armir, let's start off by talking about the company. Tell me about your business and what your mission is.
Of course. So first of all, do you mind if I ask you a question?
Sure.
Have you ever seen your favorite professional sports player, whether it's NFL, MLB, NBA, get off a bus on game day and walk into the stadium?
Yes.
Well, that's exactly what CharterUP does. So there's a very high probability that your favorite sports team is booking all of their charter buses through our platform. Okay? As a matter of fact, we've created the first and only marketplace for chartering buses within 60 seconds. Okay? Before our service and product came along, it would take customers hours to days with a lot of uncertainty. So we've taken all the guesswork out of booking buses, and get this, we have over 4,000 buses on our platform, making us the largest solution nationwide and the only tech-enabled marketplace for chartering buses.
All right, well, that's a lot of buses, Armir.
Yeah, that is.
So congratulations are in order. The Inc. 5000 list came out just this week, and CharterUP has secured the second overall spot as the fastest growing private company in the US. What foundational beliefs and strategies have been instrumental in your success?
That's right, Judy. So the list came out yesterday, and we're happy to announce that we are the second fastest growing company in North America. So listen, it's the people, right? So we can start with our customers and the people that work at our company. But let's dive a level deeper, right? What are the values? So there's two non-negotiables at our company. The first one is execution over strategy. Not to undermine strategy, but we have world-class execution. We focus on world-class execution at CharterUP because we're in the people-moving business, right? Second thing is having relentlessly high standards, right? So this is not just from the people we hire, this is from design, the code in our product, the companies that we let into our platform, and then the parameters and the standards that are required for them to stay on the platform, right? So Judy, let me ask you another question. During the NBA Finals, did you see the Denver Nuggets or the Miami Heat show up late to the game?
No.
That's right. So we don't allow that to happen. For us, on time is late and early is on time.
Mm-hmm. All right, so now talk to me more about your key differentiators that you offer and what's led to the national adoption of your services.
Of course, listen, there are many differentiators. Again, before our service came to market, there was nothing like this, right? So we allow customers to charter a bus within 60 seconds. However, let's focus on two areas. The first area we're going to focus on is our operator and our supply base, okay? There's about 3,000 motor coach companies in the United States and about 7,000 van and minibus companies. We've only allowed 600 of them to enter our platform, okay? The second one is our technology. So this is not just a technology that allows you to book and charter a bus within 60 seconds in real time, but let's get under the hood of the technology that powers it. So when operators get on our marketplace, they adopt our software that allows them to streamline and run their business much more efficiently, right? And take a data-driven approach to their business. In return, we get data that allows us to measure their performance. And this is a win-win situation because the customer is getting better service, and guess what? The operators, they're making more money on our platform as well.
Okay. All right, so now you have a diverse clientele that you partner with. Tell me some real life examples of how your technology has met their needs.
That's a tough one because there's so many customers, right? Call it weddings, bar mitzvahs, to K through 12, to university and professional sports team. But let's focus on two. Let's focus on government and Fortune 500. So how do we help government and states? Well, last year, unfortunately, Hurricane Ian ripped through the state of Florida. We have a product called CharterUP Disaster Response. So whenever we detect a natural disaster is on the way, we alert all the bus companies on our platform to be on standby, okay? So last year we were able to evacuate hundreds of nursing homes on the path of the hurricane, as well as several hospitals before the hurricane arrived and got them to safety. And after the hurricane passed, well, we deployed even more buses, hundreds of buses from the Southeast for disaster recovery to help the state of Florida build their infrastructure again. Second thing is, let's focus on one of the largest chip manufacturers in the world. Okay, they came to us a while ago because they wanted to outsource their bus transportation. It was getting inefficient and really too expensive for them to own and operate their entire fleet in-house. So we started doing it. They were very happy. They were paying a fraction of the cost. And guess what? Now they're using us exclusively on all their campuses across the country.
All right, so now, Armir, finally tell me, what do you envision for the future of Charter?
Of course, so listen, this is an evolving vision. The company is moving so fast, right? As I mentioned, there's about 10,000 operators, van, minibus, charter bus operators in the United States, and that's in the US alone, right? There's a whole global economy out there, and we only have 600 on our platform. So this industry has not had any technology adoption. It's not like there hasn't been adoption in 10 or 20 years. There hasn't been tech adoption, period, or tech innovation, right? And hopefully we want all the operators to start using our software, right? The second thing is we're a purpose-driven company, right? So our mission is really to use our market position for the greater good, right? So for every bus chartered through our platform, we take 25 buses off the road. So Judy, it seems to me like every other week, global warming has made headlines. Unfortunately, I have family in Greece and I have family in Hawaii as well. Well, we envision a world where there's more parks and less parking lots, right? So we really help our operators modernize their fleet, but also do it in an environmentally conscious way where they're reducing their carbon footprint.
All right, well, Armir, wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to being back.